Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 8th of July and I have selected stock already. So we'll be talking about Goldman Sachs. So we can see for the past 24 hours, there are 179 articles towards it. And the sentiment analysis, people are feeling very negative towards the stock. And the subjectivity is 43%, which means people are being relatively rational. In trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may fall by 9.51%. Going into the chart, they're saying short term under pressure below 385. 9.5% is a lot for a stock, especially if you're trading with CFD, then you can use leverage as well. And we can see the current price is both under the 20 days and 50 days moving average. And then we can also see that it's below the pivot point of 385. So if you're thinking with stocks, when it's going down, it's not necessarily a good indication. However, like I said, if you're trading with CFD, that you will have the option with using leverage and also the option of selling it. So in the comment section, they're saying the RSI is below the 50 and the MACD is also below its signal line and positive. So the MACD must penetrate its zero line to expect further downside. Below, it's a series of supports and resistances. And I hope you like today's video. If you do, don't forget to press the like and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Until then, have a happy trading day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.